Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Xero accounting software, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you mark an invoice paid in your Xero account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to mark an invoice paid anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business or an online business, you know that sometimes your customers mail you checks and they don't use the credit card feature in Xero. So you need to mark the invoice as paid. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Xero dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to mark an invoice as paid, what you want to do is click on business here on the top left. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu and you want to click here invoices. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all the invoices that you have in Xero and you can go ahead and filter those out. Usually I'll go ahead and click here awaiting payment. So that way it's not showing all the paid or any other sorts of invoices. All right, so once you do that, you want to look for the invoice that you want to mark as paid. So we'll do this one right here. And all you're going to do is just click on the invoice. Just so you know, it's kind of weird. You don't really have anything to click on. You're just going to kind of click onto the general area of the invoice. As you can see it turns from an arrow into a hand anywhere in this area. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to go ahead and open up the invoice. So you can see this customer owes $3,500. And in order to mark it as paid or to accept a payment, here on the top right, click on add payment. Okay, so here you can go ahead and notate when the customer paid. So maybe they paid 2 days ago, but I'm just getting to it right now. Or maybe they paid today, and then how much they paid also. So let's say they owe $3,500, but maybe they only paid $50. Okay, and then now we can go ahead and choose which account this is going to go to. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mark it in here to my bank account. And here you can go ahead and add a reference. So partial payment until next month. All right, so that's optional if you want to do that, but this will just help you remember in the future. And next you want to go ahead and click on add. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. You're going to see this pop up saying that the payment was received, and Xero automatically updates that. So you can see they paid $50 right here and they still have $34.50 due. And if they made another payment, you just go back into it, click on it, and you're going to do the same thing. But you can see the invoice is automatically updated right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to mark an invoice paid or put a payment into your invoice in Xero, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.